Detachment is the only way to manifest what you want in 3D physical reality. Detachment is essentially an indication that you are not aligned with that frequency that represents that new desired reality. If you are already in the new identity of a person who is experiencing that new desired reality, there is zero attachment. If you are already embodying the identity of a person who is experiencing that desired reality in this moment, you are not attached. The only reason you are still attached is because you are not on the other side. You are not on the other side because you still want it. And you still want it because you are coming from the lack. You're not actually embodying the frequency. You can only manifest what you embody in this moment, meaning you need to become the frequency of the thing you want to manifest now before you see it in a 3D physical reality. But most people, they are wasting time and energy because they seek validation. They seek validation in the 3D physical reality, validation if they are lovable, validation if they are successful, validation if they are fill in the blank. Here's the problem. The 3D reality is your mirror, meaning what is outside of you always reflect back to what's inside of you. The physical world will always reflect back to you who you are internally, what kind of energy you embody internally. In other words, what frequency you are on. That frequency dictates how the world around you looks like. So all the manifestation work that you are doing, if you are constantly looking for the proof, if you are actually doing the work and you are affirming and you are scripting and you are visualizing and you're waiting for the outside to change because you really want it, you are still not embodying the right frequency. You know that you embody the right frequency when you are completely detached. Why? Because when you are completely detached, you are actually sitting on different chair, and that chair is called having. You are already having what you want, even though you don't see it yet. You are already feeling like it's here, even though you don't physically witness it in 3D reality yet. And you are okay with that. So detachment is not necessarily a state where you don't care. It's about conviction and certainty that what you want is already yours now without seeing the physical evidence. And that conviction and certainty is coming from the understanding that the physical plane is not the only reality that is playing part in this manifestation process. Physical reality, 3D reality, is just one layer of the existence. We do have another layer, which is called mental plane, and then spiritual plane. On mental plane, everything you ever wanted already exists. You are literally getting downloads and ideas and visions from the mental plane. And everything you ever wanted already is in this mental plane. And as you get the download or desire to manifest something, you are tapping into the mental plane. You get the idea. The first is the idea, and then is the physical manifestation. So the fact that you're getting the idea or the desire or dream is proof that it already exists. Because without that idea or the dream or the vision, it wouldn't even exist. It wouldn't even come to you. And you're getting the download because it's you calling you from different parallel reality and telling you, come here, come here, come here. This is where you belong. Now, you need to also understand that just because you don't see it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. So let's just remove that need to see it in a physical reality right away, because if you are capable of understanding that just because you don't see it doesn't mean it doesn't exist, you will rest assured that it's coming. And you will actually be certain that is already yours. And this level of certainty, this level of knowing, in your body is actually giving you peace of mind. And when you just know, you just know. And when you know, there is no need to be attached, because the attachment comes only when you don't have it yet. And again, that's the case when you are sitting on totally different chair. This is the chair of wanting, of trying, of working so hard for it. This is not the chair of having, already experiencing it. But here's the thing. You experience the thing internally before it's being manifested in physical reality. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what you already have and what you want, what you don't have. So as you are actually practicing and visualizing and feeling into that new reality, into that new identity, where you already experience that lifestyle of your dreams, relationship of your dreams, success of your dreams, wealth and abundance, and you are feeling it. Therefore, Neville Goddard talks about feeling is the secret. Feeling is literally the secret. It's the same thing as Heart Math Institute is talking about the power, the magnetic field around your heart that is 60 times bigger than the field around your brain. When you send out the signal, you send the electric signal. But when you feel in your heart, when you feel into that emotion of you already having it, that signal is 60 times bigger than the one you send with just your thoughts. Therefore, you create literally with those feelings, with your emotions, you create your reality and you are unstoppable. So feel into it now. Relax into it. It's already yours. And have that certainty, conviction that it's already here without caring whether it's visible in 3D or not. It's all about the feeling. Because at the end of the day, you want love, you want freedom, you want success, you want money, you want abundance, you want wealth, because you want to feel a certain way. But here's the trick. You can feel this way before you even witness it in 3D physical reality. So don't wait for the physical reality to make you feel certain way. You are the creator of your reality, and you can make yourself feel this way now. And that is the magic of manifestation. That's how you're going to manifest your wildest dreams.